To disable the Twitter sensitive content filter and view graphic content on your Twitter app, you'll need to adjust the sensitive content settings on your iPhone or Android device. Since the official X app does not provide an option for this, you'll have to use a web browser instead. Start by opening any web browser on your device and going to google.com. Search for Twitter and navigate to twitter.com or x.com if the domain has changed. If clicking the link redirects you to the app, go back, long press the link and select Open in a new tab. Ensure you're logged into your Twitter account before proceeding. Once logged in, tap your profile picture in the top left, then go to Settings and Privacy. From there, select Privacy and Safety, and then find Content You See. To enable sensitive content, 1. Enable the option Display media that may contain sensitive content. 2. Go to Search Settings and disable the Hide Sensitive Content option. Once these changes are made, you'll be able to view sensitive content in the Twitter X app.